Cinnamoroll. If you like Cinnamoroll stuff, you can buy in Malaysia. I have been in Malaysia, so I already buy Cinnamoroll stuff because I like Cinnamoroll. First, I have this cute Cinnamoroll bag, and this is the inside. And after this, I'm going to introduce the next one. This is a headband. There's no Cinnamoroll or anything, but it's blue, so it's like Cinnamoroll. And I have this. This is a Cinnamoroll doll, and it's super cute. Super cute. And I also have this cute book. This is super cute. And this Cinnamoroll is super cute. And this is the inside of the book. And we also have this. This is another Cinnamoroll backpack. And if we open it, this is the inside. See? You can feel like your candies or what inside. And this is also a Cinnamoroll backpack. It kind of looks like a squishy in the bar. And this one is the inside if you open it. And we have another bag. This is a really cute bag. Look, there's like a bracelet here. And this is the inside. It's super soft actually. And this is a Cinnamoroll clip. Look at the ears. It looks like a bunny a little. And this is the nail polish. First, there's blue. Second, there's like this color. And this is clear with some glitters on. This is actually, I picked them for Cinnamoroll because these colors look like Cinnamoroll. And I also buy in Malaysia this one. This is super cute and okay. This is the eraser, Cinnamoroll eraser. Next we have this. And it's also Cinnamoroll. And we have a Cinnamoroll pen that is really cute. So let's put it back. Okay. And we have a Cinnamoroll eraser. This is the Cinnamoroll eraser. This one's white. And we have a star that is blue. This is Cinnamoroll also. Cinnamoroll. And we have this. A timer. That is also Cinnamoroll. This. And this is something that is also Cinnamoroll. And this is the timer. A timer sand. And we have stickers, a bunch of stickers. And we also have Cinnamoroll fan. Super cute, but there's no Cinnamoroll. So it's this blue. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching and God bless you. Goodbye.